Hello from Paralia Kato Stalos or Kato Stalos Beach, and this is located right next to Aegean Marina. That's a more popular touristic destination, and it's basically just 1.5 kilometers if you start walking from the middle of the Aegean Marina Beach to the middle of Kato Stalos Beach. We have like strong winds today, up to 40 kilometers per hour, as you can see how the flag is going in direction. So, yes, not really sure if you will be able to hear me because it is blowing like crazy. Look at that. The wind is massive, and you can see that reflected on the waves. Yes, it is day 6 of my beach adventures in Kenya coast. It is 25th of April, a wonderful Thursday as such. And after having a very adventurous day yesterday at Palos, that includes a bus ride and running 30 kilometers in total, and also enjoying in the wonderful blue lagoon there, the lagoon, Palos Beach and Lagoon. So now I'm taking it a bit more chill today. I still am gonna walk a lot, but yeah, I'm exploring now Kato Stalos Beach for the first time. And yeah, it is 22 degrees Celsius in the air right now, and based on the satellite measurement, it is 18.1 in the sea. Okay, the wind is massive, so I will need to speed up. But yeah, this is the flag of Greece that you can see. And now it's time for to check out the water and see how it is inside. But it should be the same about how it is in the Aegean Marina. It's not much of a difference. It is just 1.5 kilometer. And I can see also the middle of Aegean Marina Beach from here as well. And yes, we have sun again today, with mild clouds here and there, but lots of wind. A lot windier than yesterday, but less windier than 2 days ago when we had sandstorm. I had so amazing pictures from them that you can check on my Instagram. Oh, now my backpack is fallen, and with that my sunglasses. So we need to secure them inside. This camp is not good for sunglasses. Let's see. Yeah, the wind is so strong. So okay, time for a swim in the sea. Woohoo! Let's go. I mean, to be honest, the waves are not that big compared to the wind that is blowing. But I guess it's coming up. Oh, okay. So inside, a bit of stones at the entrance, but after that, like as far as I can see, and see how beautiful this is. We can see Aegean Theodori Island, and also Aegean Marina in the distance on that side, and Kanya on the other end, which is around 6 kilometers away from this spot here. Not that far. Alright, my hair is everywhere with this wind, but that's fine. Let's then take a swim at Paralia Kato Stalos! Amazing! So beautiful! Brilliant. Sun, wind, and 22 degrees for end of April. Quite good. I have also filmed how the beach looks like from Aegean Marina to Kato Stalos. You will see there's a separate episode on my channel about that, and you can see how empty it is right now. As the season has not started, there are only very few tourists. So on the beach I have seen a total of 10 people on my 1.5 kilometer walk. So, but it's a different picture in summer if you come here. So get ready for more crowded stuff than this. I basically am all alone on the beach. The beach is not like 1 kilometer. There are a few people walking, but nobody is actually sitting on the beach. Kato Stalos Beach, and this is again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach adventures with me.